Hi guys, welcome to RedWeston. I'm Simon. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your video production just a little bit better. Hi guys, thanks for joining us. Hope you're all doing well. We're currently in the middle of this COVID-19 pandemic. We're all locked down. Now the company I work for has shifted gears from social outreach to virtual social outreach. So we're sending lots of videos, making lots of footage. So this video I've made was initially just for my team to hopefully improve their videography skills a little bit. However, I put so much time and energy into making this, I thought I'd share it with the wider world. So I hope you enjoy it, hope you get something out of it, and if not, tune back next time for another Bushcrafty video. So, let's begin. We're going to start the video, and let's see what you think. How to make your videos just a little bit better, video tutorial number 1. Landscape versus portrait. Now straight off the back, this is the most important thing for amateur filming, especially if you're using your phone. It's really convenient to hold it like a phone, but you get these horrible black bars, and it doesn't look very cinematic, it doesn't look very professional. Let's carry on watching and we'll show you what I mean. Portrait, yeah, you can see those black bars. Turn it on its side and straight away, if you look at that frame, it's big, it's wide, it's like your TV at home, it's perfect. Using framing grid lines. Everybody's camera at home, there's a settings option. You just drop down, follow the route that I'm going, and you get these, it's a checkerboard, it's like a noughts and crosses board. Now if you keep your eyes on that top line at all times, I'll just pause it there, then you've got a good head and shoulders portion. You get some nice space above your head, you get the right amount in. If you're wanting some dramatic conversation, you can move your body from side to side. It gives a bit more dynamic range to the conversation. All that can be done on camera or can be done in post-production. Let's carry on. So good framing. Good framing is all about making sure you're in frame, making sure the things you want in frame, and making sure this is surrounding. So all that, bad framing. Shooting up at people's noses isn't fun either. Most people are around 6 foot tall, so about 5.5 foot is about a decent eye line. This is no good either. Again, people are about 6 foot tall, about 5 foot is eye line. Look at that, perfect eye to eye. The world sees through a window between about 4 foot and 6 foot. What that means is for a normal immersive shot, if you keep it at eye line from sort of that view, that's the average range of a person's eye line. You go above and below that, it becomes what's called a dynamic shot, and it becomes interesting, but it takes you away from the immersion. If you're just wanting to deliver content, keep it at eye line. This is no good either. Again, people are about 6 foot tall, about 5 foot looks cool, but it takes you away from what you do. So if you're getting somebody else to edit your footage, or you're not sure how you want to present your film, shoot it wide, means get as much in the frame as you can, and we can cut in and cut out, zoom in, zoom out, do any pans and things in post-production, and I'll show you what I mean. So all this shot has been done in one take, one static camera, and what I'm doing is trying to demonstrate how dynamic you can get if you shoot wide, and we can zoom in and out, move your subject across those grid lines we talked about, put some transitions in, some fades, some dissolves. Look at that, nice and easy. Wait for your mark. When you're nervous on camera, and I still do it myself, you want to rush and you want to get things across as quickly as you can. So all this is stand in front, take your breath. Right guys, welcome to RedWeston, I'm Simon. And it gives you a moment to compose yourself. And start talking. Leaving that few seconds allows us some editing room, some wiggle room. What we don't want to see is walking onto the frame, start talking straight away. See, walking and talking, it happens a lot. It means you can't edit, you can't bring the shot in, you can't do a lot with it. Yeah, you see that? Sounds great, but well, sounds okay. It's me playing. Right, indoor lighting. Now at the minute where I'm sat, I've got a window here, I've got a door open here, I've got a house light there, and I've got a lamp over here. All to try and mitigate any shadows, any dark patches. Try and keep my face well lit. There's nothing behind me shining, you'll see. So this is bad lighting. That's awful. And this. So I've identified on there where the light sources are coming from. I've spoke about where they are. When it's behind me and it blurs out, the camera tries to compensate. Tries to focus on the bright spots, tries to focus on the dark spots, and and this is good lighting. And finally, before you start recording, especially if you've got family, people watching TV, right guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something to take away from that. If you did enjoy it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, give me a thumbs down if you want. If you want to see some more of my bushcrafting related videos, hit somewhere up here. If you want to see some more related content, hit down here. And if you want to see more from me, hit the compass in the middle. And I'll see you in the next one.